Welcome to our channel Storm Rider. The 2026 Airstream Basecamp is designed for people who want the freedom of travel without the burden of towing a large, heavy trailer, and that idea shapes almost every part of its design. From the moment you see it, the compact size stands out. It keeps the classic Airstream aluminum body but shortens and tightens everything into a form that feels purposeful rather than cramped. This smaller footprint makes it easier to tow, easier to park, and less intimidating for drivers who are new to trailering. Instead of trying to be a tiny luxury apartment, the Basecamp positions itself as a mobile base for adventure, something you use as a comfortable shelter while spending most of your time outdoors. One of the biggest strengths of the Basecamp is its weight and towability. With a dry weight in the mid-2,600 pound range and a maximum weight around 3,500 pounds depending on configuration, it can be towed by many properly equipped midsize SUVs and crossovers. This opens the door to a much wider audience than traditional travel trailers that require a full-size truck. The shorter length and single-axle setup also help with handling. On the road, the trailer feels more responsive in turns, and backing it into a campsite or driveway is far less stressful than with longer, multi-axle trailers. For drivers who value confidence and control, this alone can be a deciding factor. The exterior design is both functional and iconic. Airstream's polished aluminum shell isn't just about looks, it's durable, weather-resistant, and relatively easy to maintain compared to painted fiberglass bodies. The Basecamp's rear hatch is one of its most unique features. Instead of a traditional flat rear wall, the hatch opens upward to reveal a wide cargo opening that allows you to load bikes, camping gear, paddleboards, or other long items directly into the trailer. This design also makes the Basecamp feel more like a gear hauler than a typical camper, which fits perfectly with its adventure-focused personality. Inside, the Basecamp uses its limited space efficiently, focusing on flexibility rather than fixed furniture. The main living area converts between seating, dining, and sleeping modes, allowing the same space to serve multiple purposes throughout the day. Large windows and a panoramic front window bring in plenty of natural light, preventing the interior from feeling closed in. The materials are chosen with durability in mind, including easy-to-clean surfaces and solid hardware that can handle frequent use. Everything feels intentional, as though it was designed by people who actually camp rather than just decorate interiors. The kitchen area is compact but capable. It includes a 2-burner cooktop, a sink, and a refrigerator that typically runs on a 12-volt system for better off-grid efficiency. Counter space is limited, but clever fold-out or multi-use surfaces help make food prep manageable. This setup is ideal for simple meals rather than elaborate cooking, which aligns with the Basecamp's mission of supporting outdoor living rather than replacing it. For most users, it strikes a good balance between convenience and minimalism. Sleeping arrangements in the Basecamp focus on comfort within constraints. The convertible seating area becomes a sleeping surface large enough for 2 adults, and the cushions are designed to be supportive rather than purely soft. While it's not as spacious as a dedicated bedroom, it's comfortable for short to medium-length trips and easy to transition between day and night modes. Storage compartments under seating and along the walls provide space for clothing and personal items, though smart packing is essential to keep the interior uncluttered. The bathroom setup is another example. A thoughtful compromise. The Basecamp uses a wet bath design, combining shower and toilet in a single compact space. While it's small, it provides privacy and convenience, especially in areas where campground facilities are limited or unavailable. This feature alone sets the Basecamp apart from many ultralight trailers that skip bathrooms entirely, making it more versatile for extended trips or remote travel. Performance and comfort extend beyond the interior. The Basecamp's suspension is tuned for stability and durability, and available upgrades include more rugged components for light off-road use. While it's not meant for extreme rock crawling, it can handle rough roads, gravel trails, and uneven campsites with confidence. Ground clearance and tire choices play a role here, and certain configurations are better suited for adventurous routes than the standard setup. A major talking point for the 2026 model year is improved off-grid capability. Airstream has increasingly focused on solar power, lithium batteries, and efficient electrical systems, especially in electric-forward variants like the Basecamp Z. These setups allow travelers to camp for longer periods without hookups, running lights, refrigeration, and even some climate controls through stored energy. This shift reflects how many modern campers prefer quiet, self-sufficient travel rather than relying on generators or crowded RV parks. Climate control and insulation also receive attention in the Basecamp. While it's still a compact trailer, its insulation and heating systems are designed to extend the camping season into cooler months. Ventilation options, including roof vents and strategically placed windows, help manage heat in warmer conditions. This makes the Basecamp more versatile across different climates, though extreme temperatures will still test the limits of a small trailer. From a usability standpoint, the Basecamp emphasizes ease of ownership. Setup at camp is straightforward, with simple leveling, intuitive controls, and systems that are easy to monitor. Electrical panels, water systems, and storage areas are accessible and logically arranged. This reduces the learning curve for first-time owners and makes troubleshooting less intimidating. Over time, this simplicity can make ownership more enjoyable and less stressful. Cost is often discussed when it comes to Airstream products, and the Basecamp is no exception. It typically costs more than similarly sized trailers from budget-focused brands. However, that higher price reflects build quality, material choices, brand reputation, and resale value. Many owners view it as a long-term investment rather than a disposable camper. The durability of the aluminum shell and the strong demand for used Airstreams help offset the initial expense over time. In real-world use, the Basecamp shines for solo travelers, couples, and outdoor enthusiasts who prioritize mobility and quality over interior space. It's especially appealing to people who want to explore national parks, scenic byways, and remote campsites without dragging a large trailer behind them. Its limitations are clear, but so is its purpose. It doesn't try to be everything, it focuses on being a reliable, well-built, adventure-ready base of operations. Overall, the 2026 Airstream Basecamp delivers a carefully balanced package. It combines lightweight towing, durable construction, flexible interior design, and increasingly strong off-grid capability into a compact form that feels premium rather than compromised. It's not meant for large families or full-time living, but for those who value freedom, simplicity, and quality, it offers a refined way to travel and camp without sacrificing comfort or confidence on the road.